If you've been waiting for the altcoin season to finally kick off, pay close attention, because what's coming in the next 10 days could change everything. Bitcoin is setting the stage, Ethereum is coiled like a spring, and the charts are screaming that a massive altcoin breakout is just around the corner. But here's the catch, not every altcoin will skyrocket. In fact, most will underperform while a handful explode. So today, I'm breaking down exactly why this rally is different, which altcoins are primed for liftoff, and how you can position yourself before the crowd catches on. The cryptocurrency market is currently experiencing what seasoned investors recognize as the calm before the storm phase. Bitcoin, the undisputed leader of the crypto space, has quietly staged an impressive $30,000 rally from its April lows, yet this significant move has gone largely unnoticed by the general public. This stealth rally presents a classic case of early accumulation, where institutional players and savvy investors are building positions while retail participants remain oblivious. The lack of mainstream media coverage and casual conversations about Bitcoin's recent surge is actually a bullish indicator, suggesting we're still in the early stages of what could become a major market cycle. What makes this situation particularly compelling is Bitcoin's strong correlation with global macroeconomic factors, especially the M2 money supply. Historical data shows that Bitcoin's price movements have consistently mirrored expansions and contractions in the money supply. With central banks worldwide potentially gearing up for another round of quantitative easing to address economic concerns, we may be on the verge of a liquidity surge that could propel Bitcoin to new heights. This macroeconomic backdrop creates a perfect storm for cryptocurrency markets, as increased money supply typically flows into alternative assets like Bitcoin during periods of monetary expansion. The implications of this setup are profound for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. As Bitcoin leads the charge, its upward movement creates a domino effect across the market. The initial phase sees Bitcoin appreciating as institutional money flows in, followed by a subsequent rotation of capital into altcoins that often deliver exponential returns. This pattern has played out consistently in previous cycles, and all signs suggest we're about to witness a repeat performance. The key for investors is to recognize this early-stage opportunity before the broader market catches on and prices reflect the full potential of this emerging bull market. Timing is absolutely crucial in these market conditions. The most substantial gains typically accrue to those who position themselves during these quiet accumulation phases, well before the explosive price movements that capture mainstream attention. As we stand at this critical juncture, the difference between exceptional returns and mediocre performance will largely depend on the ability to act decisively before the crowd arrives. The current market setup offers one of those rare opportunities where preparation meeting timing can lead to extraordinary outcomes in the cryptocurrency space. Ethereum's silent accumulation. Now, let's talk about Ethereum. While it's been quiet on the surface, behind the scenes, something huge is happening. Whales are accumulating ETH at an alarming rate, and the ETH BTC chart just broke out of a 3-year downtrend. That's not just a bullish signal, it's a flashing neon sign that Ethereum is about to take the baton from Bitcoin and run. And when ETH moves, the entire altcoin market follows. The altcoin tidal wave. But here's where things get really interesting. The stablecoin market cap has ballooned by $31 billion since November. That's $31 billion of dry powder sitting on the sidelines, waiting to flood into altcoins. And when it does, the moves will be violent. We're already seeing early strength in coins like XRP, Cardano, and Sway. But the real winners will be the projects with real revenue, real users, and real adoption. The hidden gems. Identifying high-potential altcoins with real traction as the cryptocurrency market prepares for its next major upswing. Savvy investors are shifting their focus beyond speculative assets to projects demonstrating real-world adoption, sustainable revenue models, and active user bases. Unlike the meme coin frenzies of past cycles, this emerging wave of altcoin opportunities is being driven by fundamentally strong projects that are already generating millions in revenue while solving genuine market needs. These aren't just white paper promises. They're platforms with measurable traction, positioned to capitalize on the next phase of blockchain adoption. One standout example is Grass, a decentralized AI data network that has quietly amassed 3 million users by incentivizing individuals to sell their unused internet bandwidth. What makes Grass particularly compelling is its $50 million annualized revenue run rate, proving there's substantial demand for its decentralized data solutions. As artificial intelligence continues its explosive growth, the need for high-quality, ethically sourced training data is becoming increasingly critical, and Grass is positioning itself as a key infrastructure provider in this space. Its model not only addresses AI's data bottleneck but does so while sharing value with participants, creating a powerful network effect that could drive exponential growth as adoption accelerates. Another project showing exceptional promise is My Lovely Planet, a blockchain-based mobile game developed by veterans from the team behind Candy Crush, one of the most successful mobile games in history. With 25,000 daily active users, the project has already achieved engagement levels that most crypto games never reach. The upcoming listings on major exchanges could provide the liquidity and visibility needed to take this project to the next level. What sets My Lovely Planet apart is its innovative play-to-impact model, where in-game achievements translate to real-world environmental actions like tree planting. This unique value proposition combines gaming entertainment with tangible social impact, a combination that's proving increasingly attractive to both users and investors in the current market climate. These examples represent a new breed of cryptocurrency projects that are moving beyond speculation to deliver genuine utility and sustainable business models. They combine several key characteristics that make them particularly attractive for the current market cycle: proven teams with track records of success, rapidly growing user bases, existing revenue streams, and clear product-market fit. As the market matures, investors are becoming more discerning, favoring projects that can demonstrate these fundamentals over those relying solely on hype and speculation. The strategic importance of identifying such projects early cannot be overstated. While meme coins may capture headlines during market peaks, it's these fundamentally driven altcoins that typically deliver the most sustainable returns over full market cycles. They benefit not just from speculative trading but from organic growth in usage and adoption, creating multiple potential catalysts for price appreciation. As we approach what could be a significant altcoin season, keeping a close watch on projects that combine strong fundamentals with favorable technical setups may provide the optimal balance of risk and reward for discerning investors. For those looking to capitalize on this emerging opportunity, the key lies in conducting thorough due diligence, monitoring on-chain metrics and user growth statistics, and identifying projects before they gain mainstream attention. The current market conditions present a rare window where these high-quality projects can still be acquired at relatively reasonable valuations, a situation that likely won't persist once broader market participation increases and altcoin season enters its more frenzied phases. But here's the brutal truth: most altcoins will fail. If you're holding projects with no revenue, no users, and a billion-dollar market cap, you're playing with fire. The winners in this next phase will be the ones that prove their worth, not the ones that rely on hype. The next 10 days could be the start of something massive. Bitcoin is leading, Ethereum is waking up, and the altcoin market is about to catch fire. But this isn't the time to blindly throw money at every coin, it's the time to be strategic. Focus on projects with real fundamentals, watch the ETH/BTC ratio, and get ready. Because when this rally hits, it's going to move fast. So what do you think? Are you positioned for the altcoin boom, or are you going to miss out again? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about it. And if you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe, because the best is yet to come.